Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the time before passcode is required to lock the screen on your Pico VR headset. And to do this you'll need to open up the settings, navigate to the general, scroll down, enter the lock screen, you'll need to enter the PIN. Inside you can change the required passcode after, and here you can set immediately, after 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and etc. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.